The purpose of the camshaft actuator is to advance or retard the timing of the camshaft. By adjusting camshaft timing, the actuator directly affects the opening and closing of the intake or exhaust valves depending on the engine design. This helps optimize engine efficiency, performance, and fuel economy. Depending on the manufacturer, it can also be called a camshaft phaser, variable timing control actuator, and many more. The camshaft actuator is typically mounted to the camshaft itself. Also, depending on your vehicle, you can have more than one camshaft actuator. If you're unsure how to find it, I'll leave a great repair manual in the description below. The first symptom of a bad camshaft phaser is having a check engine light on. Here's a list of trouble codes that can show up. You can scan these codes with an OBD2 scanner. I'll leave a great one in the description below. The second symptom you could experience is a poor running engine. If the camshaft phaser is faulty, it will throw off the desired timing. As a result, you may notice issues such as uneven idle and sluggish acceleration. This leads us to the next symptom, your vehicle stalling. You might be driving down the road, first noticing your engine running rough, and then suddenly your vehicle shuts off completely. Another symptom of a bad camshaft actuator is hearing unusual sounds coming from the engine. You may hear a rattling or a clacking sound. The noise depends on how the actuator failed. Sometimes it's noticeable at startup, while other cases, it continues as the engine runs. This leads us to the last symptom, your vehicle going into limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that protects you and your car. The RPMs and speed will be limited, and you'll usually be stuck in second or third gear. I appreciate you all for watching this video. If you gained value, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.